Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are diving into the world of electric vehicles with the much anticipated BYD Atto 3 as BYD's latest EV offering. The BYD Atto 3 promises to revolutionize the way we think about electric cars with its innovative features and sleek design. So buckle up as we explore everything this remarkable vehicle has to offer. First off, let's talk about the basics. The BYD Atto 3 is an all-electric compact SUV that blends modern aesthetics with advanced technology. It features a robust electric drivetrain, delivering impressive performance and efficiency. The Atto 3 is designed for those who want to make a statement on the road while also being eco-cautious. With its stylish design, spacious interior and cutting-edge features, the Atto 3 is set to be a game changer in the EV market. This vehicle represents a significant step forward in electric mobility, offering a perfect balance of performance, efficiency and luxury. Okay, now let's talk about the design and build. The BYD Atto 3 boasts a contemporary design with sleek lines and bold front grille. The aerodynamics profile not only looks great but also enhances efficiency by reducing drag. The exterior is fitted with stylish LED headlights and taillights, which also provide excellent visibility and add to the overall vehicle's modern design. The body is also built using high strength and high quality materials to ensure durability and safety. The attention to detail in the design is also evident, with the features like flush door handles that pop out when needed and retract to maintain a smooth body surface. Inside, the BYD Atto 3 offers a premium experience with high quality materials and a spacious cabin. The minimalistic dashboard features a large 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen display that serves as the main command center for all your driving needs, including navigation, entertainment and vehicle settings. The seats are upholstered in an eco-friendly synthetic leather, providing comfort while also being kind to the environment. The panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, enhancing the overall sense of space and luxury. Okay, now let's talk about the performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the Atto 3 is equipped with a powerful electric motor that delivers quick acceleration and smooth driving experience. The vehicle offers a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for both city commutes and larger trips. When it comes to charging, the BYD Atto 3 supports fast charging, allowing you to get back to the road quickly. You can charge the battery up to 80% in just 30 minutes using the DC fast charger. With access to a vast network of charging stations, you will never have to worry about finding a place to recharge. BYD Atto 3 also supports home charging with a standard AC charger which can fully charge the battery overnight. This flexibility ensures that you have multiple options for keeping your vehicle charged and ready to go. The technology and features of the BYD Atto 3. The BYD Atto 3 is packed with advanced technology to enhance your driving experience. The infotainment system is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected on the go. The voice control feature also allows you to manage various functions without taking your hands off the wheel. Safety is also a top priority. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist and 360-degree camera system providing peace of mind on every journey. The Atto 3 comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assist technologies including automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. The driving experience of the BYD Atto 3 is not just about efficiency, it's also about delivering an exceptional driving experience. The smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and quiet operation make every drive enjoyable. The low center of gravity, thanks to the placement of the battery pack, enhances stability and handling. Plus, the customizable driving modes allow you to tailor the performance to your preference, whether you want a sporty feel or more relaxed ride. You can choose from modes like Eco, Normal, and Sport, each offering a unique driving experience. Now let's talk about the smart connectivity features. The BYD Atto 3 is designed to keep you connected. The integrated smart control features allow you to control various aspects of the car remotely through a mobile app. You can check the battery status, start climate control, and even locate your vehicle, all from your smartphone. The app also provides real-time updates on charging status and can help you find the nearest charging station. With smart connectivity, you have complete control over your vehicle no matter where you are. Last but not least, let's talk about the environmental impact. As an all-electric vehicle, the BYD Atto 3 is significantly reducing your carbon footprint. By choosing the BYD Atto 3, you are contributing to a cleaner environment and prompting sustainable transportation. It's a step forward for greener future. Additionally, the BYD Atto 3 implemented sustainable manufacturing practices, ensuring that the production of the BYD Atto 3 has minimal environmental impact. This commitment to sustainability extends from the factory floor onto the vehicles on the road. In conclusion, the BYD Atto 3 is a standout in the electrical vehicle market, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and technology. Whether you are an eco-conscious driver, a tech enthusiast, or someone looking for a reliable and stylish ride, the BYD Atto 3 has you covered. Well, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. But before we end this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. So now, see you next time. Bye.